What is up, Pyros? Coming at you with some Pyro Demon Fireworks. NOAB. It is called Raging Terror. Check out that blue skull graphic. Freaking sick looking. 3-inch finale, 9-shot, the NOAB, the 9-on award. Your performance, alternating red and blue dahlia with silver glittering pistols, orange and cyan dahlia with green glittering pistols, purple and green dahlia with red plum blossom pistols, ends with a 2-shot finale. I'm just loving that. All have something with that. It'd be kind of a cool tattoo idea, honestly. But anyways, you know what we got to do now. We got to shoot it and see what we all think. So again, Pyro Demon Fireworks, part of BADABOOM Fireworks in Blakesley, PA. Let's check it out and see what you think.